Okay, so now here is a surprise for you. You have to tell me, I'll show you a magic, and then you have to tell me, if you get this magical power, what would be the first thing you would like to do? What is the project you would like to make if you have this magical power? Currently, I am using the Pictoblox from both the end. I am changing from Pictoblox and receiving in the Pictoblox. What if I tell you, you don't need Pictoblox from both the end? From the other end, instead of having Pictoblox, you can have your own code, which is not a Pictoblox at all. It can be a Python code, it can be a C# or anything. So let's take the Python. From the Python code, you are changing the variable x to something, and that variable is getting synced into the server, and the other end you are receiving. What is the potential use you can think of? I can give you some hint. So because you have Python open to you, you can think of supporting many other microcontrollers which is not yet supported, or maybe you can think of anything crazy like that Python supports, and then you can sync it into the cloud, and the other end he can receive. Could be like you and your friend is playing a game where you want to introduce some external um, environmental factor, like suppose it's a wind game. Your flight is going against the wind, and the wind you want to update real time. You want to sense the wind from your balcony, and then you want to suppose feed it into the Pictoblox as the wind changes in your locality, and it's feeding. So anything, I'm just giving a hint, but don't move by this. You forget about this, you just think about your own, and then find out it. But let me show you the demo if it works really. So okay, so this is the Python code. It's like 74 line of code in Python, and what I need to change is this project ID 45928 and the variable x. So for y you have to declare one more variable. So okay, I just want to show you by one variable that's really changing and not, and then I will run the code from the command prompt Python, and this is the Python code, and press enter. X value is 100. In the other computer, do you see it's changing? No, I think it's not connected. Okay, yeah, now you see 120, 122. So you see, I am pinging from a Python code which is updating the cloud variable in the server, and anybody in that scope, in that project ID, is receiving the value. So isn't it amazing? Can you think of some application and write down in the comment section what is your thought about this? Thank you so much.